Hey, this is Cameron. Welcome back to the Busy Gardener channel. Today I've got a very exciting announcement. We have launched the Busy Gardener YouTube memberships. There are a ton of perks available to you. I want to tell you what they are. Let's get busy. Hey, why is Yoda such an amazing gardener? Stay tuned to the end, I'll tell you the answer. But listen, the Busy Gardener channel has just passed about 1 million views, which is a mind-blowing number. And that's been so fun to see. If I've seen anything, I've seen you be so engaged in wanting to do things well in your orchard or garden, and it's been fun to be along with you for the ride. One thing though is that it takes so many resources and so much time to produce these videos. And yet I want to be more available to you. And some of you are asking lots of questions and have different things. And one way that I'm able to be more available to you is through memberships. And you have 3 options available to you, 3 memberships options that I'd like to tell you about right now. The first membership option is $2.99. It is the Plant Enthusiast. And that's somebody who is into gardening, who wants some basic things. And there's some perks with that level. First of all, you are going to get priority replies to your comments. I get a lot of questions on YouTube across the various videos. If you're a member, you're going to get answered first. You're also going to have access to members-only polls and different status updates, behind the scenes stuff, photos, videos, and you're going to get a chance to see what your other gardening colleagues think about these. You're also going to get access to new videos before everybody else does. A perk that I'm really excited about are these monthly gardening to-do lists. You know, there are a lot of time-sensitive tasks that have to happen in the orchard and the garden, and this is going to help to keep those top of mind, and so I'm really excited to make those available to every Busy Gardener member. You like all those perks, but you want a little more? Then the Green Thumb membership is for you, $4.99, and here's what it gets you. I'm going to be doing monthly Q&A videos based on the questions that you ask. Sometimes the comments areas in YouTube don't give an opportunity to provide enough detail, and so we're going to do a little bit more of a deep dive in a monthly video that come from your Q&As. That's part of this. Another perk that is a huge perk for Green Thumb members and up is I'm going to be shooting a monthly walkthrough, orchard and garden walkthrough video. You're going to be able to ask me to show you different things, and once a month I'm going to do it. I'm not going to be releasing those videos to the public. They're for Green Thumb members and up. So if you like all of those perks and want even more, then I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you garden bosses out there. Our Garden Boss level, $7.99 a month, has 2 big components to it. The first, I'm going to be shooting quick videos, quick looks at different things, like how to shade or how to apply shade cloth to your dragon fruit, like what happens when your avocado loses all its leaves, or how to know when your flavor grenade pluot is ripe. Delicious. And the other Garden Boss perk is doing a monthly Garden Boss only live stream where I answer your questions. So the first half of it's going to be teaching on some garden topic, and the second half is going to be your Q&A live, and that's going to be available only to you Garden Boss members. The first thing you're going to notice with your Busy Gardener membership is a loyalty badge. And you're going to work your way through the colors the longer that you're a member, until you reach the coveted color bars. And don't worry, I'm still going to be doing high quality weekly videos on the orchard and the garden, and that's going to be available to everybody. But if you want to level up your gardening game and would like to support the Busy Gardener channel, it takes a lot of resources to do this. Would love your membership, whether it be that Plant Enthusiast, the Green Thumb, or Garden Boss. That'd be a huge help to the channel and to me and my family. So why is Yoda so good at gardening? Because he's got a green thumb. Hey, and whether you want to sign up for membership level 1, 2, or 3, till next time, stay busy.